Hello, everyone. It's Eric again. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has had a sharp downturn over the last couple days. I think there's a lot of discussion that that's it and it's off to the races again. But like most things, it's not quite that easy. I think in terms of the evolution of the trade, which is the only thing we consider, the daily, weekly, and monthly hasn't changed a bit. But we're going to take a quick look at that daily here and see where we're going to set up. And I'm going to suggest that we're more likely headed towards a short-term consolidation at least, because we are heading down this high right here. This is the oscillators, this is the price oscillator, this is the volume oscillator. We're driving lower here, and usually when it drives lower, it tends not to abort. So we make a high watermark here in the oscillators and we drive down. We're going to make a run, at least one of them, the volume oscillator or the price oscillator is going to make a run for the dotted line here. It does sometimes abort right before we get there, but it's usually not often. If we look at the corrections in a sharp uptrend, once it's broken and once we react from there, one of them penetrates below the zero line. So ultimately, we are probably going to get a short-term reset here, or maybe even a long-term. The daily looks like it's going to maybe reset. The weekly, we don't know. The best thing they can do is continue to watch the matrix and wait for that reset and watch the energy build into that reset. I think Friday's energy build is going to be really important for Bitcoin and Bitcoin investors and traders. I think whatever the majority believes is the setup. If the majority believes that Bitcoin is safe and it's a great play longer term, I find the majority is generally wrong about timing and direction and everything. So you're going to have to follow the evolution of the trade, tune out what everyone else thinks. If you find safety in doing what everyone else is doing, you might feel safe in the moment, but it's an illusion. If you're standing with the majority, you're going to get it wrong. So watch the daily trend here. See if this oscillator crosses below zero. You're going to notice that this is going to flip down to daily if it crosses below, or you're going to see right now the trend is up, but you're going to see a divergence, a bearish divergence here will show up as a bear. These are all things that would warn that the correction is not over, but has fulfilled its obligation of challenging that dotted line. I think we're going to make a run for it. So watch it close, and don't really fall into the line of what you need to believe in order to be a Bitcoin investor and trader. You don't need to believe anything. You only need to follow the trends and the energy builds and the cycles of price and time. That's all you need to know. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll talk to you guys later.